NodeJS comes with core modules like OS module to work with operating systems, FS module to work with file system, and HTTP module to write web servers. You can see the list of core modules and their documentation from nodejs.org. As part of this lesson, let us read a text file and print the contents of it using the FS module. Write const fs is equal to require fs. Here we are loading the fs module to our file. It is similar to #include stdio.h in C or import statement in Java. FS module has many inbuilt methods. To explore, we can visit the documentation on the Node.js official site. Coming back to code, let us write fs.read file hello.txt function of error data console.log of data. In this line, the first argument is the file name to read, and the second argument is a callback function. You can use the arrow function here. The callback function has two arguments. The first one is the error object, and the second one is data. We call these kinds of callback functions error-first callback functions. When you are trying to read a file, if any error happens, like file is not available or a permission issue, then the error object gets populated. If everything goes well, the error object becomes null, and the data object gets populated, which is printed in the next line. Node.js handles data as buffers, and we can convert it into the string using the toString method. The FS module supports both synchronous and asynchronous operations. Whatever we have written is executed asynchronously. We can type console.log, statements before and after this block, and see from the output. Node doesn't wait for the file operation to complete and handles it in an asynchronous fashion. Node supports synchronous operations as well. We can see from the documentation the FS module has the fs.readSync method. Let us use that and convert our code to a synchronous one. There is no need for callback for a synchronous operation. Now you can see file read operation is blocking, and the code is being executed in a line-by-line manner.